again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So as you can see, I've got Colourful July's monthly box. So this is February's box. So I've made a decision that I'm going to start dedicating my Mondays to monthly boxes, because I get Colourful July monthly box, Vornail monthly box, and I get my Gel box monthly box. And sometimes I get an extra themed box in between all them. So I've decided I'm going to dedicate my Mondays now to mystery boxes and monthly boxes, because I'm always getting asked, when are you uploading this box, when are you uploading that box, because I tend to upload them different days, different times of the months. So I've decided I'm going to dedicate Mondays to monthly boxes. So you're all going to know Mondays on my channel is going to be a monthly box. So today, as it's Monday, I'm starting with the Colourful July February box. Now I have got the Colourful July Valentine's box, and this is what I mean when I said I get extra themed boxes now and again. So this is a Valentine's nail box. As it's not a monthly box, I might record this during the week. Yeah, I might record that during the week. So for anybody that's new, Colourful July monthly boxes, they are exactly that. They're a monthly subscription box. You can buy them as a one-off, and everything in these boxes is available to purchase separately, and you can use my discount code on these boxes. You wasn't able to use them before because the boxes are already heavily discounted. They never used to let you use discount codes on them, but you can use my discount code on them. I've got a 15% discount code. It's available to use on all products on the website, including these boxes. So shall we get into it? Let's get it open and see what we got. Oh, this is fancy. This is new. It's got stars and moons on it. Oh. So, like I always do, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, and then I'm going to move it off to the left. Ooh. So, I'm just going to start pulling things out, and we'll go through them. So, first we have got... Oh, these are nice. So, it's all different size love hearts, and they are Aurora. Let me just turn this lighting down a little bit so you can see them. Yeah, they're all different shades of Aurora. We've got like pinks, blues, yellows. Very pretty. I've not seen these before. I do like these blue ones. So let me turn that lighting back to normal now. So we got them. We have got some cute little stickers. These are the kind of airbrush. Can you see this star? It's got like an airbrush effect coming off it. So when you've got it on a nail, it looks like you've done an airbrush stencil kind of sticker. Same with this butterfly. It's like an airbrush stencil. Very cute. Not seen them ones before. Right, we've got some. These would be nice going into spring. My lighting is not very clever today, guys. I do apologise. See if we can fix this. Yeah, my lighting's not the best. I'm not sure what's going on there. So they're nice going into spring, aren't they? Right, then we've got butterflies. So we've got, they're like half and half, black and white. Very nice. And then we've got these. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. Again, very nice for spring, Easter time. I've got a love-hate relationship with these 3D kind of stickers. Right, we've got some little sequin type stuff. So these are all just little, I'm not going to pull them all out. They're all little pots. Very nice colours. They're all kind of cute little pastel colours, aren't they? So we've got teeny tiny little dot things there. And we've got triangles, stars, hearts. These are like little flowers. And we've even got little pearls in there. I like the colours of them. They're cute. Right, we've got, I just recently got some of these. So these are, you know these Dibba Dabba ombre sponges that you can buy. These spongy Dibba Dabba things. This is essentially one of them. So it's loads of little teeny tiny little sponges, but this is a grabber. You press that there, and can you see it's got a spring there? So that grabs hold of the sponge, and you've got essentially one of these ombre sponges, little mini ones. I am covered in iridescent stuff. Can you see? I'm not sure where all this has come from, but these gloves were fresh on, so there's definitely something in this box with an iridescent kind of powder, because it's everywhere. So yeah, you've got a little ombre dibba-dabra, and you can buy these separate. I would much rather have these, because these ones, they're not very cheap to buy. I mean, they're cheap, but they're not cheap enough to be used as one-off. Whereas these, yeah, I think these are a lot more affordable to be disposable, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I like them. I've not used them yet. I will have to try them out. Right, let's go. Let's have a look at this. Right, so these are plastic, they're not glass. And they are just teeny weeny little, like, I won't call them crystals because they're plastic, but we have got teeny tiny butterflies, flowers, teardrops, stars, hearts, teeny tiny little things. Look, we've got little dicky balls, triangles, squares, teardrops. Wow, look at the size of these little butterflies. Little dot of a thing. Look at this little teardrop there. My gosh, teeny. Right, let's get on with it. What's this? So we have got, so this has got a little hole in it, so you could even put that on a necklace. It's like a butterfly, and it's got little rhinestones. Is it a butterfly? Yeah, it's got little rhinestones in it as well. That's cute. Oh, this is cute. This is a little dangly, so it's got a little dangly star, and that's got crystals in it as well. Very sparkly. That's very nice. I like that. Then we've got two of these love hearts. So these are curved on the back, so they'd lay relatively flat on the nail. Wow, that's very sparkly. Very sparkly rhinestone. I like that. Then we have got another butterfly. So this has just got a crystal in the middle. That's nice. I've not seen these before. We've got a little dicky bow with a love heart crystal in the middle. Oh, it's got teeny tiny little crystals. Are they missing, or is it meant to be like that? No, meant to be like that. It's got teeny crystals on this side as well. Very sparkly, I like them. And lastly, we've got another dangly. Oh, this has got a little dangly as well. Very cute. What's that one? I'm not sure what that one is. I'm not too sure what that one is. Is it a butterfly? I'm not actually too sure what that one is. I think it's a butterfly. Am I missing something? Is it a butterfly? I'm not sure. They're cute. I've not seen them before. Right, this is the culprit, I think. Yeah. So this is a pigment. This is pretty. So this looks like it's one of them kind of white chrome powders, you know, to get that glazed donut effect. Right, and it is holographic, but as it's a powder, you're not going to see the holographic. Maybe if I bring it really close, you might see the rainbow colours in it. Yeah, you're not getting to see the rainbow colours. You can a little bit when it goes out of focus. Very pretty powder. Very, very nice powder. So you can use that for doing the glazed donut effect. You can put that over any colour nail, and it'll give it that chromy kind of look. Gosh, it's everywhere. It's very pretty. Let me try and clean my hands, guys, because it's going to go all over everything. Right, so we have got some foils. Oh, I've just cleaned everything, and this foil box is full of it as well. Right, we've got some foils. So we've got a purple theme going on with a couple of blues. I like this. Oh, look at this one. I like this one. It's got real depth to it. Oh wow, that is very pretty. I do like that. Nice. And then we've got, I like this. It's like a really pale lilac, but it's matte. And this one as well is matte. And then we've got them in the shiny versions. Very nice. I like these. So this is like that. All three of these actually. They've all got that bluey purple colour shift. There's loads on here as well. I think there's about 1 metre on each. So they're kind of full size rolls, aren't they? I do like these. I've got a glitter that would go beautiful with this. I like these as well. Oh sugar. These matte ones, beautiful. Very nice, I like them. Right, so let's get on with it. What is this? We've got a little wooden box. Oh, it's a little brace. Is it a bracelet? Or is it a necklace? Let's have a look. So we have got, so they're just little bracelets, aren't they? Little bohemian, do you call it bohemian type stuff? It's got little beads on it and stuff. Little black one. And then this one has got like gold and green. Yeah, little gold and green things on there. Very cute. Right, I think everything else in here now might be gels. Gosh, we've got 5 of their paint pots this month. Couple of gels there. Oh, there's 3 gels there. And there's a couple more things here. Wow, loads of gels in this box. So let me just clear my desk off and we'll see what else we got. Right, so we've got 3 of their solid canned rubber and 2 of these. Right, so I've took the lids off all of them. I'm just going to fly through these now, guys. Starting with number 18. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I totally forgot, these are a lot thicker consistency than these. These are like your average standard kind of paint gels. These are really thick. They're not like a solid gel, but if I remember rightly, these are the ones that you can use for stamping. I don't know if they're made for stamping, but yeah, these are extremely thick gels. I think they'd be good for stamping. And yeah, these are just like paint gels. I don't know if you noticed when I was applying them. Oh gosh, these just glide on so lightly and smoothly. Whereas these ones, you do have to try that little bit harder. But they are still really nice and smooth. These would be good for nail art as well because they're highly pigmented. But I need to try them with stamping because I've got quite a few of them. And just by the feel of it and the way they painted on, I feel like they're going to be really good for stamping, these ones. So anyway, that's the colours that we've got. No real theme, I'd say. Green theme. I like this corally peachy colour, that's very nice. So, that's the pots. Anywho, so this month we've also got these Colourful July boxes, or real mystery boxes. There's different stuff every month. Right, I've not seen these ones before. Right, so these are gel polishes. We've got G004, G058 and G027. So let's get swatching. Right, so that's them 3 colours. I like that. I like these bottles as well. Very plain and simple. So they are the same brand as these. Oh no, they're all the same brand. They're all that XEI. Yeah, that. They're all that same brand, all 3 of them. Alright, okay. So yeah, that's them 3 colours. I do like this middle one. I like that a lot. Right. So, lastly, we have got these 2 tall bottles. Look at these. Oh, I think I've had a couple of these before. Again, that's the same brand. So, we've got number 4 and we have got number 3. So, let's do 3 first. Oh, we've got some sparkle. Wow. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, we've got 2 sparkly ones. So a quick recap, guys, on everything that came in this month's box. So we got the foils, I do like them, and then we got the little Aurora. I like these. There's some teeny tiny ones in there, really little diddy ones. And we got the stickers, the stickers, the stickers. I like these airbrush stickers as well. We got all the little pastel sequiny type stuff, and the teeny tiny ones. They were cute. The glazed donut chrome stuff and all the little danglies. Oh, I forgot about this. I like these. I must give these a try. These little, do you know what these are good for? Cleaning your stamping plates, holding on to your balls of cotton wool. I like that. Oh, we got the bracelets, and then we got 3 of the paint gel kind of pots, and then these, I must try these. I think these are good for stamping. And then the 3 gel polishes there, and then 2 gel polishes. So let's have a quick recap on the colours as well. So that's all the colours that came this month. Let's have a look. I think that coral and this slightly sheer one is my favourite this month. Look how long they are compared to them. I didn't realise. Loads of colours. 5, 6, 7, 10 colours in this box this month, guys. That's a lot. A hell of a lot. Them glittery ones are very nice. I can't believe how many colours have came in this box. Never ever had that many colours in one of these boxes. That is actually really, really good value for money, thinking about it. I am rather impressed. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll be back next Monday with another one of my monthly boxes. I'm not sure who it's going to be yet. We shall see, but definitely tune in next Monday if you want to see another mystery box. I'll leave links to this box and discount codes all in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.